Hey guys, it's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am going to show you how I DIY this skirt from this to this. So if you want to see me do this little craft, then please keep on watching. So I got this set from Fashion Nova. I wore it on New Year's Eve. It was in my Get Ready With Me New Year's Eve video, so you guys should be pretty familiar with it. And it is a skirt and top, but today I'm just going to do the skirt first to see how it turns out, and then maybe if it's good, I will do the top. So here's the skirt before. It's floor length, it's sheer, it's really pretty. I really like this kind of rose goldy color. The only thing about it is I don't really like these little tassel things hanging down. I don't know, they don't look that expensive, if you know what I mean, and they actually really hurt. So like when I was walking around, they were like cutting my leg and my arms and stuff. They give like little paper cuts, so I really don't like it, and I don't think I would wear it again because it was so itchy. But I saw this pic from Kim Kardashian. She posted it on Twitter. I'll insert the little inspo pic here, but I thought it was really pretty the way that that skirt looked. It was like really expensive looking. I mean, I'm sure it is. So we're gonna do a cheap DIY hack on this skirt, and hopefully it'll look just as cute. So yeah, what you're gonna need for this tutorial is a skirt, and I got these ribbons of crystals from Amazon, and I hope I have enough. I got 2 and they're 7 yards each, so we'll see. You need some scissors, and then to glue these rhinestones on, I'm just gonna use hot glue, so hopefully that works out. And yeah, let's just get started. Hello, here's my station. I have all my supplies, my skirt, everything. Some parchment paper taped onto the ironing board so that I don't get any glue on my actual ironing board. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my scissors, and I'm going to begin cutting off each of these little things. Let me get some better scissors. Hang on one second. It's probably going to take a little while, but I'm just going to cut all these off. I'm getting beads all over my floor right now, but it's okay. So I'm cutting it as close to the seam as I can. See, there's like these little seams that they're attached to. I'm going to cut it right at the base. A little string comes off. You kind of get what I'm doing. I'm just going to cut off all these beads all around the entire skirt. Why am I hunched over like this? I don't know. But I'm going to check back in with you guys after I've cut off all these things. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been 2 hours. My lipstick is gone. But I'm finally done cutting off all these little tingy tings that I now have to vacuum off my floor. But it's all good. She's done all the fringes, so this is what the material looks like without all the beads. So there's these little decals I didn't notice before, but I think that they're pretty, and I think it'll work with the skirt. So yeah, now I'm going to start gluing on all the rhinestones. So here we go. So I did one side and it turned out all right, so now I'm gonna start doing this what is this called? The seam right here for the slit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it out so it stays. I'm using the rest of my hot glue sticks to keep it in place. And now I'm going to measure how much of this rhinestone thing I need. Measuring it to here. And now I am just going to double it so that the measurements are the same on each side. Now I'm going to cut the top in half. And now I have 2 strings of rhinestones, which are going to go here. Take my glue gun and Also, try not to get these on here because they'll snag on the lace. So I'm going to keep them together like this, and I'm going to glue them on as a duo. See? Ah! So I'm going to lay this here and do this at the same time. But I'm going to get my glue gun, and I'm going to start with just a small layer of glue, and I'm going to go, I don't know, like half an inch with the glue at a time so that it doesn't dry while I'm trying to glue. So then it's really important that you make sure that the flat side is down and the rhinestone side is up, obviously, because you want the rhinestones to show. So very carefully, and I'm gonna glue it really close to the seam so you can't see all the stones. Ah! Be careful because it's hot. A little bit more glue for the next side. So now we're going to take the beads and glue them over the existing pattern, so like these diamond shapes. So all of these seams are going to be covered with rhinestones. This is going to take a lot longer than I thought, but it's okay. I'm going to work in sections, so I'm going to start with this seam right here. I'm going to do everything from this side. It's going to be pretty easy again, just measuring, cutting, and gluing. So I'm taking my string of rhinestones and I'm going to measure this seam right here. So here to about there, and I'll leave an extra one just in case. I take my gun, my glue gun, and again I'm going to draw a really a line of glue, and this one is, I'm even being more light-handed with the glue gun this time, like just a teeny bit of glue, because I really do not want, as I get it on the lace, I really don't want to get any glue on the lace part of the skirt, because that will show. So I'm still gonna go by section. And I'm just gonna glue, 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 press it down as I go. Alright, here's how it's going so far. I just finished the panel from the seams, so yeah, I got them all glued on, crisscross, so I'm gonna keep on going. But it turned out really pretty. I really like the jewels, the rhinestones on here. Yeah, so I ended up only having enough crystals to do the front. So the back is still plain. I'm gonna try to order some more crystals to add to the back panel. But for now, I just kind of added some detail sparkle to the back area. So I just put a few rhinestones in the back. But really the main attraction of the skirt is just gonna be the front. So yeah. Alright, so this is how it looks on. I just paired it with this top from Fashion Nova, and then also my Fashion Nova Kim K inspired shoes. So much for watching. I'm about to wash my hair and do something with it because it's looking crazy. Oops. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this outfit. And let me know if you'd like to see another like Kim K inspired type of look, and I can for sure do it for you. Alright, see you next time. Bye!